Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss about three of the popular freelance academic writing platforms where you can get freelance writing projects and anyone can work on these platforms. Some of the platforms also allows freshers or beginners to start working as an academic writer, and these platforms offer freelance jobs that you can do from home or anywhere. These type of freelance academic writing jobs can be a good fit for people who have good academic knowledge or subject matter expertise or who have good command over like English language. So no matter in which uh, subject you are an expert with, or you have like if you have interest in any particular subject, or if you have been good in academics, it doesn't mean that you need to be like very much expert in any particular subject. If you have some knowledge in any subject, you can still try give it a try, and then you can start working as a freelance academic writer. So you can choose any subject. It depends, like you can choose history, geography, or English, or you can choose mathematics, biology, or you can choose like engineering subject, or computer sciences, or so it can be any subject. Now let's check out the first platform. Here's the first platform. The name of the first platform is Edusson. The company offers freelance writing projects, and here's the company website, so you can check out the platform. So here it says that welcome to the leading platform for freelance writers, and they offer competitive salaries and a constant stream of assignment guaranteed. So and anyone can expect an earning of around like $1,500 to $2,000 at least per month. And if you are an expert, or otherwise if you are a beginner or you are a fresher, still you can earn around like $150 to $500 starting per month, starting from this. So it could be a good thing start from there. And here are some of the benefits that the platform offers. So they have written that they offer uninterrupted workflow, 24/7 support, find tasks instantly. So you can find like projects instantly. Whenever you are free, you can get a project to work upon and then start working. And then prompt payments, so they used to pay around like twice a month. And then help for beginners, then easy registration and career progression. And now check out how to apply. So here, this is a simple process. What happens that these kind of platforms usually have simple criteria of first, like they will be asking you about your personal information to fill up the like application form, and then they will be asking you to give a small English language test or grammar test, and they used to check your grammar skill. And then they will be asking you your like they will be checking they want to check your subject knowledge, and so they will be giving you uh, like one or two small tests related to the subject that you have chosen. So it depends, like they mostly have tests set for the major subject that you have chosen. Otherwise, like apart from your major subject, you can also choose one or two like minor subjects that you can like you can also get the projects, or you can work on those projects. So here's the process to apply. So first you need to provide your personal information, then pass a short test. This is the grammar test, and then write an introductory essay. So this could be in your like chosen subject, and then present personal ID and a diploma. So you have to provide document that related to your qualification or college, and then select a payment method. So most of these companies are like pay through PayPal or Payoneer. So you need to have an account with PayPal. So Edison is a platform where you can create your freelance profile, and then you can start bidding or like accepting projects, and then you can bid on the projects, and then you can chat with your client, and accordingly uh, when you get a project, you can work on the project, and then after completion, you can get the payments. Now let's check out the second platform. The second platform. So the second platform is Livingston Research. This is one of the most popular global platform that offers academic writing jobs. And here they have said, here they have written that we are global education technology company, and this is the company website. And the company offers freelance academic writing jobs. So no matter what is your current location, you can apply for the you can apply for the position of freelance writing. So here they have written that looking for freelance job. Welcome to Livingston Research. Making money as a freelancer has never been so easy. Apply to get an access to available tasks. So here you can apply from here. And so here are some of the benefits that you can expect working at Livingston Research. So here they have written that they will be providing you great variety of available tasks in different subjects. So you can expect projects in different subjects, and they have compensation ranging from $3 to $18 per hour depending on the complexity of the work and the time required to complete the project. And then flexible schedule, so you can decide your own schedule, and then convenient mobile website so that you can manage your orders or workload through like your mobile phone as well. And they have, as I said, they have payment methods through Payoneer or wire transfer or Wise. And then application process is simple. So again, like you have to just apply by filling up the application form and then take a simple language test or grammar test, and then you can pass a test on a chosen subject and complete a short sample task. And then later you will be getting access to the available tasks and start earning with Livingston Research. So this is simple, and if you're interested you can apply from here. So here uh, on this platform you can expect an earning of around like $800 at least on average per month if you work on this platform. So yeah, if you're interested you can apply for this Livingston Research as a freelance writer. Now let's check out the third platform. The third platform is EssayShark, and here's the company website. Here they have written that essay writing services with professional writers. So here also the company offers freelance job opportunities to academic writers, and so this is the company website and you can check out all the details before you apply. Here also at EssayShark you can create your own freelance profile. Here they have written that how we hire our writers. They have written that all writers who apply to work with us pass our strict review policy, detailed document check, grammar test, and only after these steps writer gets an opportunity to work with your order. And even after this, our quality control constantly checks writers to keep our quality high. As we have already seen that they have a simple process. First, you need to register through the website, and then they'll be checking your documents for like related to your qualification that you have written, and then you need to take a simple grammar test, and then you need to take a test essay. You need to write a test essay based on your like subject and that you have chosen, and then you can start working on the actual orders. So if you're interested, you can apply from here, register as a writer now. And here are some of the subjects that they have listed, and you can choose any subject to work on. Like they have English and literature, mathematics and statistics, religion and theology, marketing, humanities, sociology, law, natural science, engineering, arts, computer science, economics, history, philosophy, business management, political science, healthcare and life sciences, and psychology and education. So they have different subjects listed here, and these are the writers. This is the list of some of the writers, top writers at EssayShark, and based on their projects or like clients have rated them. If you create a freelance profile on like EssayShark, you will be start getting the projects, and you can work on the projects, and after completion you can get the money. Here it says that become a freelance writing helper with us. So here become a freelancer Become a freelance helper on EssayShark. Having an essay writing job is a good way to increase your income. Work from home it all while doing it at a time convenient for you. If you are skilled with writing and want to make money doing it, then hurry up and join our team. And to register, here's the registration process. And then a person applying for a freelance part-time employment with our service should, so they have, as I have already mentioned, that for to work as an academic writer, you must have like strong English language skill or writing skill, and then you should have one like university or college degree, and preferably have relevant writing experience. If you have it, you will be preferred. Otherwise, also you can start working as a fresher or beginner as well. And if you get selected or if you start working as a freelance writer, you can start bidding on any of the hundreds of orders added every minute, and then you can set your own price per page. When bidding for orders, you can get money twice a month in the way that is most convenient for you, and you can receive bonuses for working productively and diligently. You can chat with your client directly in chat and rate each other after every order, and then work when it is suitable for you. So it depends, like you can choose your own working hours, and then and the project that you wish to work upon. So yeah, go ahead. So these were all the three platforms that you can choose any of them, or you can choose like all of them and create your profile and get selected and then start working on these projects. And I think this could be a great opportunity for people who are looking for freelance writing opportunities in academics or in any field. So if you have a knack or if you have interest in writing field, you should definitely check out these platforms. So yeah, go ahead, and thank you for listening.